Hi, my name is Jimmy Rogers. I'm a senior yacht broker with the OneWater Yacht Group. And I'm here today to talk about the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show for 2021 that we just recently concluded. Very excited to report that we had absolutely record sales numbers throughout the show. Although we're relatively new, we definitely come very experienced and not only be able to deliver a very high quality product that we're proud of in our brands to keep our clients happy and to keep them boating with us. For our mainline brands, premium yacht lines, Sunseeker, which is a British builder, the build quality that we're seeing out of Sunseeker as well is just absolutely top notch. Chris Craft, they are truly yacht caliber build. Riviera, which is an Australian builder, they're doing a wonderful job delivering a very high quality product. And Absolute, which is an Italian builder, they are just batting 1,000 these days, and we're very impressed with the product they're bringing to market. Our company total did over $118 million of sales just in the 5 days of the boat show. So we're seeing a very huge growth in recreational spend dollars coming into the yachting industry by a lot of new people that are coming in. And what we want to do at OneWater Yacht Group is bring them in, take wonderful care of them, and keep them in the sport and enjoy boating and grow with us in their boating experience.